Hey friends, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a super sweet and juicy kawaii strawberry, simple, fun, and absolutely adorable. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for artists of all ages who love cute food drawings. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our tasty and creative art videos. And here's a fun question for you. If you could turn any fruit into a kawaii character, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. We might draw your idea in a future video. Let's get drawing! Awesome work! Artists, your kawaii strawberry looks super sweet and totally adorable. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii food and character drawings. There's always something cute and fun to create. Keep practicing, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.